And this one is interesting. We have a finally. So finally gets printed as part of that try and accept block, but no matter what happens, this gets executed. And this is not as useful in terms of producing an error message as much as it is useful when we're working with files. If we're working with files, what we might do is we might open the file up here above the try, and then inside the try block, we might try to like write something to the file or something like that, modify the file in some way. And then it may or may not work, right? Depending on if the file has the right permissions, if you can put that stuff in the file, whatever. This could generate an error. And no matter what you do, you always want to close the file when it's done, or else the file will get corrupted, and then you won't be able to use it in the future. So that's a good case for try and finally. You would try to do something to the file, and maybe you would have to generate an error that said that didn't work. But no matter what, whether it worked or not, you have to close the file. And if you put the close the file line up here, that will only close the file if it was successful. If there's an error, it won't close the file, and then you're kind of messed up. So that is a great case for finally, and just so happens that we'll be working with files in the upcoming weeks. So you'll definitely use that construct.